Hey guys, it's David again with another tutorial. Just wanted to do another one of these. Had so much fun with the last one. Lots of great feedback. So let's check this out. This is going to do what I call a speed edit, show you how you can super quickly add smiles to people's faces where there are no smiles. You know, one of the fairly aggravating parts of working with models like this is they aren't smiling. I always like to go in and add smiles. If the model wants to share this with their wife, they can see their husband smiling. Or, here's my girlfriend, I want to see her smile. She pretty much never does. So I like to go in here and add some smiles for her. So let's do this. I've already started on these photos a little bit, added some color, made them a little moody. They're looking pretty good, but without the smile, they just aren't quite there. So let's select a few that we want to bring in, and I'm going to show you how quickly and easily you can add smiles where there are none. So I've got my 4 selected. I'm going to right click, go to edit in, and then edit in Photoshop. And we'll give these just a second to open up here. And again, thanks guys for viewing this. I know you're going to love it. You're going to be able to use this on all your family photographs. Really, if anything, add smiles to your cats, dogs, really anything with a face, you can easily add a smile. So here we go. Looks like they've opened. I'm going to switch over to Photoshop. All right, here we are. So here's our first one. I actually want to let's start over here with this one. He's really, really, really not smiling in this one at all. I don't know why, but let's see what we can do. I'm going to unlock this layer, double click, hit enter. I'm going to duplicate the layer with Command J. It's going to give us a safe layer to edit without hurting the original image. And then super easy. I'm just going to go up here to filter. I'm going to click liquefy. One of the coolest tools in Photoshop. Absolutely incredible. Let's hit Z. Zoom in again so we can get a really good look at his face. What's cool about this tool is you see here on the right, it's already detected his face. So I can change his eyes, mouth, face shape, all kinds of stuff. But we're focused on the smile right now, so watch how easy. Here's the smile lever. I'm just going to bring this up. Look at that. Let's get in a little closer so you can really see how this thing works. So there's a smile. I'm going to go to mouth width just to make the smile a little more full. Okay. That's looking nice. So here's kind of a before and after. Before, after, before, after. And as you zoom out, if I hit Command 0, it'll bring me back to the full image. You can really see the difference this makes. So you see how easy it is. There's that one. I'm going to click OK. There it is, saved. Let's hop into this next one. Same deal. Let's bring it in a little bit. Let's double click, unlock this layer. Command J. Let's duplicate so we don't hurt that original photo. Up to filter, down to liquefy. Here we go. Another super easy edit to add a smile where there was no smile. Let's just zoom in so you can really see this thing in action. It's already detected the face for us. So we're going to grab the smile lever. Wow. This one's working really nicely. Look at that. We're just going to increase the width. That is an incredibly full smile. Something we can do too. Grab this, where is it that I want? Yeah, I want the forward warp tool. Bring our brush down a little bit. This is a little more advanced, but hey, I can do this quick and you can too. Just going to bring his cheek up. When people smile, they got their cheeks come up quite a bit. Wow. Even grab the smile, make it even a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay. Let's bring it back out. See it from distance. Honestly, I like that. Before, after. Just gonna hit OK, save that one. See, we've done 2 photos in minutes. It's that easy. Watch. All right, here's our next one. Zoom in. Unlock this thing. I don't know why. I don't need to do that, but I like to. It's just part of my workflow. Command J, duplicate, filter, liquefy. Face detected. Beautiful. Bring that smile up. Oh, wow. Isn't she pretty? Bring that mouth width up a little bit too. Oh, God, yeah. See already the difference it's making. Let's zoom in. This is incredible. Let's do this one again. I like doing this forward work tool. Bring that up a little bit. Little cheekbone. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's check it. It's a little unbalanced. So just want to bring it up here a little bit. Nice. Beautiful. A little before, after. Awesome. We'll click OK to save that one. Final one. Look how quickly we've done these. Double click, unlock, Command J, duplicate, filter, liquefy. Let's go. This is how quickly and easily you guys can do this at home. Super cool. Boom. Smile. See, this one was really bad. She was almost frowning or scowling. I don't like that. Boom. Turn these photos into exactly what you want. Let's use that tool again. And this is advanced, but you can do it. It's really easy. Let's look. This one's where the cheekbones are really need to come up. I almost want to bring her eye up because her eye is kind of like scowling. Her eyebrow. So if your eyebrows are pointed down like that, it doesn't really lend to a smile very well. So again, you see how great those edits are and how quick they are. Let's bring it out. Let's save that. Check these out. Boom. Ooh, let's go back. Boom. 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 Done in minutes. This is what I call speed edits. This can be done in minutes. You get paid a lot of money for this kind of work. Try it out yourselves. I'd love to see your before and afters. Leave them in the comments. Shoot us some links. Grab some of our merch. It's kind of expensive, but we weren't able to get the costs down that much. And it really takes a lot out of us pretty much every time we make merch. So it's a lot of money, but anything helps. And see you guys in the next one. Thank you.